Hey guys, I have proof that this chemistry book is a lie. Right here, do not listen to this. Okay guys, all of this is wrong. They're trying to persuade you. Guys, I'm not joking. They're trying to persuade you to do the wrong thing. Watch what happens. 5 times 1 divided by 9.2 times 10 to the negative third power. As seen here. 5 times 1 divided by 9.2 times 10 to the negative third power. Now, you take that number and what do you get? 0.00054347826. What? Okay, well, the first part was right, to be fair, which is 1 times 1 divided by 0.2 times 1 divided by 1, which is equivalent to 5. Watch. 1 times 1 divided by 0.2 times 1. Look at the answer I get. I get 5, okay? I get 5. That's correct. It's correct. Ding! Correct. But, there's this. Okay, guys? I got 1.65 times 1 to the whatever it is. And that gives me the wrong answer. Now, because I'm supposed to be getting the answer of 1.609, not 0.00054347826, which is way off. I did the math correctly. I don't understand why it's not right. And now watch this. 1.609. Ready guys? 1.609 times 1.9. So that gives me 1.748913, or 1.7 shortified. So that's right, 1.7 times 10 to the second power seconds. That makes sense. Except, I don't know how the heck they got 1.609. How did they get it? I've tried every possible way of multiplying those two equations together, and guess what, guys? Not a single one of them worked. Therefore, this is a scam. If you see this on any one of your classworks, guys, do not listen to your teacher. Skip this example, 12.6, because you do not need it, as it is absolutely fake and has no usage in your life. Because all of it isn't true. But, okay, that's good to know, right? Good to know knowledge. If you go down here, it actually makes sense. -10. Negative. You got negative. Guys, how do I do this? Hold on. Anyways, guys, this makes sense. Watch it make sense. M equals 0.116 to the minus first power. In other words, what it says, minus 0.116 to the minus first power. So that makes sense, guys. This also makes sense, guys. This is the third thing that also makes sense, guys. Because all you have to do is 5.76. Let me do it. 5.76 times 10 to the first power plus 5, as shown, guys, as shown right here. 5.76 times 10 to the negative second power. Plus 5. So for this one, it's pretty easy because 5.76 times 10 to the negative second power times 10. So that's times 10, okay? Guys, times 10. Now, plus 1. Now, this part of it doesn't make sense. The first part of it doesn't make sense. So you can skip over the first part. Actually, so they might be the same. They might both predict random numbers. And actually, guys, you can actually skip a step with that thing. Because look, all you have to do is 5.76 times 10 to the negative second power times 10 plus 1 divided by 0.2, which is coincidentally the first part of the equation. As seen, the first part of 4 parts of this equation. And if you look at the second part of the equation, you could do it either that way, or you could do it this way. Both are the same way. So conveniently, it gives you 2 different ways to do the same equation. Now that's what I call a good leader. And that's what I call, guys, that's what I call a good influence and good teaching. But, if we go back here, look down there. That's right, 5.58 liters of mole to the negative first power. Well, by God, 5.576. Close enough to 5.58, they just rounded up. So, you take then the second part of the equation. 1.79 times 10 to the negative first power to the negative first power. Because, in order to do that, they did 5.58 to the negative first power. As seen here. As you can see, 5.58 to the negative first power equals 0.179 and then a bunch of other numbers. And you could also get that answer doing it the other way around, which is taking the number that they gave you and multiplying it times 10 to the negative first power. To the negative first power. Or if you wanted to, just the first part, which is times 10 to the negative first power. And that gives you an answer of exactly 0.179. And if you look here, it says, therefore, 0.179 moles a liter of butadiene remain at the end of 10 minutes, compared to the 0.2 moles a liter that was originally present. Oh! I can't believe it, guys! I can't believe it! But it's great Scott, it works again! That's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, because I will be back with another video, and it will be amazing. Bye, guys!